This is a unique thing, an online astronomy and planetary science degree. It's not been offered before, and we're really excited. And the idea really is to give these students this tour of the fundamentals and the basics of what's out there in our universe, nearby and far away. One of the cool opportunities that our online students will have is interacting with faculty who are working on just really amazing projects for NASA and other space agencies. You know, we're building and operating the cameras for NASA's next Mars rover, the Perseverance rover. And we'll be doing that here at ASU, but we'll be sharing that, with the whole world. We have a team operating cameras around the moon right now, every day for the past 10 years. And having access to the sort of real-time information and stories and adventures that are going on with the spacecraft and the team, that's another opportunity that online students will have. ASU has been, for the past 5 years or more, just a real leader in online education and pioneering the different ways to offer course content online, getting feedback from enormous numbers of students around the world who are taking these online classes, helping us learn what works, what doesn't work, revise things. And so that's why I think a place that has that kind of a heritage and that kind of experience and that is a world leader in online education can kind of take the next step and branch out and now start offering new and novel degree programs that nobody else is offering.